How to set calendar first day of the week on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, we tap on settings. And from the main settings page, scroll down and then tap on apps. Next, tap on calendar. And then we scroll down and then tap on start week on. From here, the default system settings is on Sunday, but you can also choose Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, or Saturday. So select one of the days that you would like to use, for example, Monday, if you prefer Monday to be the start of the week, and then tap on the back key or swipe up to go back to the home screen. So if I open up my calendar, Monday will be the first day of the week. And here, if I change it, so Sunday is the first day of the week, then on my calendar it will show now Sunday is the first day of the week. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.